Hi everybody, it's Tereese. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm here to share my um, year of Julie Nutting tag. I received my swap partners tag. What was it today? It was Monday. It was this past Monday, and I'm just getting around filming this. And oh my gosh, look how cool this is. Okay, so my partner. Oh my god, oh, she gave me some socks. Oh, how cute. Okay, let me, I think her name, let me just open it. Jeez, Tereese. Um, oh, how cute. Oh my gosh. I love macaroons. Oh my gosh, look at this packaging. This is that, what do you call it? Mesh that you get at the Dollar Tree. And oh my god, that is so adorable. I did not package yours as well as yours. Sorry. Oh, and she has some, oh my gosh. Look at all this sequence on the bottom. Oh, that is so cute. I am loving, oops, let me shake it out. Oh, I love this bag. That is so cute. Okay, and then here are the little sequins mix. Oh my gosh, see it all on the bottom there? And then look, oh, look at what sequins falling out. Oh, look at this sock. Oh my gosh, and look, she made me a bow with, I think these are lip. Oh, that is so cute. These are little lip paper clips. Oh my gosh, thank you, Michelle. Oh my, oh my gosh, look at that. Oh my goodness. That is amazing. Oh my gosh. Okay. Ugh. See, they're all falling off and they're all over the place. Oh, how beautiful. Oh my gosh. Look at it. They're all over. Look at this amazing tag, and I believe it's Michelle. MsSeashell. MsSeashell. But I think her name is Michelle. Oh, how pretty. Look at there's a little pocket with a big heart in the back. I love this paper. Let me see. Year February Valentine created by Michelle. Yes, I knew it. Look how pretty this is. Look at the doll. I love this doll. And I love the added details you added to her hair. Wow, look at your coloring. That is amazing. I love it. I have this doll too, and I can't wait to play with it. I used a different doll for this. Oh, look how beautiful. Look at this. It's like a little tag, and it says love you on the bottom here, and it's really pretty. Flower. Look at the detail on this. I don't know if my camera can pick it up. Maybe I can show you, but yeah. Look at that detail on this tag, and then this looks like stickers. I love the pink and the red and the purple. It really goes together. Look at this fluffy butterfly, Queen of Hearts, and a bow. I think there's an itty bitty bow here. I'm out of frame, sorry. But I love everything about this. Oh my goodness, and I love the stitching. I'm just observing all over. She's even embossed. She's embossed the bottom paper here. Oh my gosh, it is gorgeous. I love it. Thank you so much, Michelle. Thank you for the sock. I love it. And I love the paper clip as well. So yeah. So next month, for the Julie Nutting tag swap, we're doing St. Patrick's Day. I love St. Patrick's Day, so that will be so much fun to create. Um, so come back and see what I created. I think um, I already put up my tag. I'm not sure. No, I did not. I will um, upload my tag probably tomorrow. So I just want to thank everybody for stopping by today, and this is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Anyway, so thanks everyone. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye now.